Nowadays we can see that the peoples like the spicy foods. Some of the peoples eat chili very simply as the chocolate. So we can separate it to see this. But this increases the heat in our body. The non-vegetarian peoples who eat eggs and meat in excessive amount, it also increases the heat in their body. Some of the fruits also hot in nature like papaya, chiku, mango, they also increases the heat in our body. Some of the painkillers, some of the tablets, they also increases the heat in our body. Now see the side effect of this heat. We can face many skin related problems. We can face the oral ulcer. We can face the dangerous disease like cancer. Yes, the scientists told that due to the excessive heat in the body, this may lead to the cancer. What a terrible side effect of heat. It also increases acidity too much in our body. In summer, we see the side effect of heat. But how to reduce the heat in our body? By using yoga. Yes, we can all celebrate the yoga day on 21st of June, and we all appreciate that yoga have some powerful facts. So it also helpful in reduce the heat in our body. There are two major pranayams for reducing the heat in our body. They are the Sheetali Pranayama and called as Sheetkari Pranayama. Only difference is that take the air from the mouth in different manner and leave slowly from the nose. Now we see the first pranayam, Sheetali Pranayama. See this. So use the tongue as a pipe and intake the air and then slowly leave from the nose. The next pranayam is called as Sheetkari Pranayama. See how it done. So by placing the teeth on one another, we can intake the air and then slowly leave from the nose. Do this pranayam as you have to capacity. 15 times, 20 times as your capacity. It also helps in case of high BP, in case of acidity problem, and if there was a infection into the throat, and also cool somewhat our body. So do this pranayam regularly. But remember, only thing is that do not this pranayam in the winter season. Yes, not use it in winter season, otherwise it give illness to you. So only do when there is heat on the body. Thank you. If you like my thought, then subscribe and share it among the different peoples.